Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. We begin with news this evening that two men are in police custody after their attempted abduction of a 15-year-old girl was foiled by quick-thinking police officers and residents. The incident happened along Mountain View Avenue in St. Andrew this morning. We have more in this report from TVJ's Dwayne Anderson.
Mountain View Avenue Saturday afternoon, a calm that betrays the high drama and near tragedy that unfolded hours earlier. A 15-year-old girl from the community was heading to Saturday classes when her search for a taxi went wrong. She was pulled inside a motor vehicle by two men. But they would not get far, thanks in part to the brave and swift action of the young lady herself, a motorist, residents, and eventually the police. A motorist who said he witnessed the incident recounted his version of events.
A girl was kidnapped by two guys in a car. She jumped out, they get panicked, drive the car down Mountain View, crash the car in front of my car and the next two more cars before we. Them come out of the car, people help out one of them, because them don't know what me know. Them think of people crash. Them run come in my car and tell me, say me for carry them go to hospital and them give me 20 grand to carry them, just set them out of the area right now. Kill me, say yo. Hell no. If I'm just tell them back at the crime scene, people and take out one, then the other one run down the street, then I play coast police, jump in my car, drive go Norman Garden, stick up the other one, put him on the ground, cover him face, put him up my car, carry back at the police station. And them up, then I lock up. And the girl, terrified in the station and everything. Our father, a soldier, and our mother, police.
The men are now in police custody. Acting head of the Kingston Eastern Police, Superintendent Stephanie Lindsay, gave an update on the matter.
The police were alerted to a situation sometime after 10 o'clock this morning on Mountain View Avenue, where a child took what she thought was a legitimate taxi heading to Kingston. On her way, the vehicle diverted. She questioned why they are coming off the route that she expected to travel on. And then the vehicle apparently turned onto Mountain View Avenue. And she was very alert, so she actually jumped from the moving vehicle. So one of the men pulled a knife and demanded she hand over her belongings. So she jumped from the moving vehicle. And citizens saw what was happening and went to her rescue. The men sped off from the location but crashed a short distance away, and the citizens apprehended the men and handed them over to the police. So the police have started investigation into the matter.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.